So what is 3D? So we are going to create 3D models. In this tutorial, we will create 3D models throughout the lectures. So I will introduce the Blender tool through that we can create 3D models. So here we can get a introduction to the 3D. As we know, there is a 2D and 3D. It means 2D means two dimension and 3D means three dimension. In 2D we have just x y, and in 3D we have x y and z plane. So here is a 3D, and there is a 3D dimension space is a geometric setting in which three values are required to determine the position of an element. So we know about the 3D hopefully, and you can google it and learn about that one thing if you don't know. So how we can create the 3D models for games or for something else, or for the Unity project. So first of all we have to download the Blender tutorial or Blender software. Okay, so we need to search Blender software, Blender download. Whatever you search, it will pop up blender.org website. You have to go to that website and download the latest one version. I have already downloaded and installed, so you can easily download. It's free to use and open source. So I'm going to search. Here is Blender. I have already installed. So whenever you are going to open the Blender, you will find this one interface, and here is a flash screen. Whenever you click somewhere else over the screen, it will disappear from the screen. So here is our cube, default cube, and here is a sunlight, and here is a camera. So here we can also find like a layer type. If you are familiar with the Adobe Photoshop, you can easily understand these things. Whenever we are select from the hierarchy from the layers, you can also interact the object. So we can drag and select all, or we can select from the keyboard, press A to delete, X press X to delete it. Okay, so we can add a new cube or something like that. We can press shift A, and then there we find a couple of menus here. So first of all we will look at the mesh tutorial, and we will look at the mesh section, and there we will create the cube. Okay, this is a 3D object which is a cube, and throughout these lectures we will try to create something to understand in the 3D world. Hopefully it will help you to get started with 3D. Okay, thank you so much.